As the 2024-25 football season comes to a close, we find ourselves witnessing the end of an era. Seven legends of the modern game are parting away with the club where they become icons. These aren't just footballers, they are pillars of history, players who shaped the identities of their team and gave fans unforgettable memories. This video is dedicated to honoring their journeys, achievement, and the moment that made them. Kevin De Bruyne's departure from Manchester City marks a significant turning point for both the player and the club. Since joining City in 2015, De Bruyne has been the heartbeat of their midfield, orchestrating attacks with his trademark precision passing and vision. Over 10 seasons, he racked up over 100 goals and more than 170 assists in all competitions, helping the team secure 6 Premier League titles, multiple League Cup, and the coveted UEFA Champions League. In 2025, De Bruyne announced he would be leaving City after the club reportedly chose not to renew his contract, partially due to ongoing injury concerns. Yet, even in these final appearances, he remains one of the most influential figures on the pitch. De Bruyne's legacy will live on as arguably City's greatest ever midfielder, a blend of elegance and dominance rarely seen in the Premier League. Over at Liverpool, another emotional farewell is taking shape. Trent Alexander-Arnold, the local lad who became a global star, is leaving Anfield at the end of this season. A product of Liverpool's academy, Trent broke into the first team as a teenager and quickly became one of the most creative right-backs the game has ever seen. With 2 Premier League titles, a Champions League trophy, and pinpoint crossing changed the expectations for his positioning. In May 2025, he announced that he would not be renewing his contract and he is expected to join Real Madrid. For Liverpool fans, this is more than just the end of a player's tenure, it's the end of a hometown hero's era. Koke's departure from Atletico Madrid is equally poignant. He has been with the club for over 15 years, amassing more appearances than any other player in Atletico's history. He has epitomized the team's identity under Diego Simeone, disciplined, hardworking, and fiercely loyal. Koke was instrumental in Atletico's domestic and European successes, including their La Liga title in 2021 and their consistent Champions League campaigns. Though he was never the flashiest player on the pitch, his intelligence, calm under pressure, and leadership made him indispensable. His decision to leave at the end of the 2024-25 season ends a chapter that has defined modern Atletico Madrid, and he leaves as one of the most respected captains in the league. A true one-club man, Muller joined Bayern's academy as a kid and went on to make over 650 appearances for the senior team. Known for his unique Raumdeutscher role, Muller's off-the-ball movement, football IQ, and ability to find space baffled defenders for over a decade. He helped Bayern to win more than 10 Bundesliga titles, 2 Champions League trophies, and a historic sextuple in 2020. Muller's career has been defined by consistency, humility, and an uncanny knack for turning up in big games. In 2000 years in football history, Lucas Vazquez's farewell to Real Madrid might not carry the glamour of some of his more famous teammates, but his departure is deeply emotional for fans who recognize the value of loyalty, versatility, and selfless service. A youth product of the club, Vazquez was never the headline maker, but he was always there when Madrid needed him. Whether covering at right back, pushing down the wing, or providing work rate in midfield, He became a coach, dream, and a true team player. During his career with Real Madrid, Vasquez won multiple Champions League and La Liga titles, contributing to an era of dominance with reliability and heart. In 2025, he announced he would be leaving the club after over a decade of service. Through rarely the star, Lucas Vasquez leaves as a fan favorite, proved that consistency and humility can carve out a legendary career at one of the world's biggest clubs. Luka Modric, another Real Madrid great, is also bidding farewell after more than a decade of brilliance. He played a pivotal role in one of the most successful periods in Real Madrid's history. With his unmatched vision, ball control, and composure, he helped the team win 5 Champions League titles and several La Liga trophies. In 2018, he broke the Messi-Ronaldo duopoly by winning the Ballon d'Or, an honor that captured his importance not just to Madrid but the global game. As age caught up, his role gradually diminished but his professionalism and footballing IQ remained vital assets to the team. In 2025, Modric confirmed his exit from Real Madrid. He leaves behind a legacy as one of the greatest midfielders of his generation, graceful, intelligent, and endlessly reliable. Alexander Lacazette's departure from Olympique Lyonnais may not grab international headlines, but to Lyon supporters it's the closing. England with Arsenal returned in 2022 to lead the club once more. Since his return, he continued to deliver as a reliable goal scorer, a captain guiding a young squad through difficult transitions. In 2023-24, he was among League One's top scorers. This would be his final campaign with the club. His contributions go beyond number. He was a symbol of loyalty and passion for Lyon, always leading with quiet confidence and finishing with finesse. Fans will remember his powerful goals, his leadership, and the genuine love he showed for the shirt. As we say goodbye to these 7 legends, we reminded that football is more than just a game. It's a story told throughout the careers of players like these. Their chapter with their club may be closing, but their legacies will continue to inspire fans and future players alike. From De Bruyne's artistry to Lacazette's leadership, from Trent's evolution to Modric mastery, each level leaves behind memories that are etched into the very fabric of sport. Thanks for the moments, the magic, and the memories. And we'll catch you in the next one.